So a lot of people have joints that are cracking. They have sore elbows, sore shoulders, sore wrists, sore even fingers. I'm hearing people going popping their fingers and stuff. The difference is you might be lacking oils in your diet. You might need a more balanced diet with healthy oils, not some oil from fish. I mean things that are from plant sources. Get the right balance. Find what works for you. Also do the things that take care of your joints. Stretching is going to do it. Mobility exercise is going to do it. And also, whenever you do things that start to warm it up, whenever you start to move your body and get the necessary warm-up going, you don't realize the amount of time. See, warming the wrists up before you do something just gets you ready.